Hey yo, Socks. What up, Socks? What up, Socks? Hey, Tada. Yo, man. Just waking up in Stateville. Yo, how you feeling, man?
Stateville. Feeling sweet. Yeah, taking a break from the city.
Sure.
Drive around. Bumping some hip hop. We were shy job. We're job at 5 6 yeah, keeping it active and physical. So we're like weight. Shama push ups, like a fresh.
Yeah, man.
So yeah, keeping it like that. It was Stateville. It's on, bro.
Yeah, man.
There's nothing to complain about.
Sure. Except the short delay, yeah. But how did you feel this morning, man? How did you feel the energy and basically the run itself, yeah?
No, it's like this is the lifestyle. Let's say if we promote, if we push it up and build it, let's say the most only chance of push a job because my young refresher like them go long, especially after his old man with learning after a heavy night. Then I'm at drinks at tea. You get to the two for saying we're fresh. You got to see that I'm on the house in terms of like the go long.
Sure.
So yeah, it's live, but like every time you watch your job, we have now. Please keep on. We're not doing it just. It's gotta keep it physical.
Sure. No, definitely, man. I'm also just fed off like your energy and stuff, you know. And like it was very, like very actively involving, you know. Yeah, man. We encourage that to all the young people and everybody, you know, who knows what health is about, you know. Exercise.
Take care of yourself.
Take care of yourself. Take care of your body.
Take care of your brain.
Take care of your brain.
Educate yourself. Read.
Sure.
Yeah, we'll see. So just uplift the way.
Ghetto, Frankie Burnham, 150. The Storytell Zone. This is my man Socks. You know, paying a visit, just making sure that things are intact like that, contact to contact, you know what we're dealing with, you know, our road has been steeping, you know, 2009, holding it down, education, more and more to the younger people of this country and land, yeah?